Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Stun Brothers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the cross out of a snake cube. Now, if you're saying to yourself, I don't have a snake cube, but I really want one, you can go down to the link in the description. It's to the best Amazon site that I have found for snake cubes if you want to purchase one yourself. I am going to be uploading quite a few videos about the snake cube, so if you do have one, you're in luck. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. The first step is to get the puzzle in its original state, a straight line. Then what you're going to want to do is pick it up, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and twist the fifth one. Just twist it twice, because 4 times is back to normal. So halfway, however you want to consider it. We'll be doing a lot of twisting it twice, half turns, whatever you want to call it. Then we're going to twist this one right here twice as well. So this is the bottom of the cross with the 2 arms going here and the part that extends a little taller here. So right here, we're going to twist it. And if you want to know, counting from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to bend the 6th one. Then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and twist the 3rd one. Okay? Now just twist this one sticking up out here just to get it out of the way. You'll see what I mean. So twist this one so that it lays flat across. If you want to know from the end over here that we've created, it is 1, 2, so bend the 2nd one. This is what you should have so far. This is one of the kind of arms with the tallest part right here. You'll see, and then another arm will be right here, and the head will be right there. Then you're going to count from the end, or from the end of the arm, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend the 4th one, and now count 1, 2, 3, bend that one. And this part is a little bit complicated, but you'll see why I do it right now. When I bend this one, it kind of, it has some trouble. So how to prevent that is to think one step ahead and bend this one, which from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, bend it twice, and then bend the 2nd one, 1, 2, from the head, bend it twice, and it kind of just snaps into place. It's a time saver. It's, I don't know, it just works like that. Then what you're gonna do, from the center one, 1, 2, 3, bend the 3rd one, and now you should see where it goes from there. And that's it. That is the cross. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave this video a like, and also subscribe to Stun Brothers for more awesome tutorials like this one. If you want to know what else your snake cube can do, just click this link up here to the playlist of all the other tutorials I have on making other shapes for your snake cube. If you guys have any other ideas about other videos that I should make, leave them down in the comments below with any other comment that you have. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.